Guys, room tour part 2. The messed up study table of my roommate. Just because it was recording, so he managed his bed to be cleaned, and this is mine. Lots of creativity. You can see the effects of light, white, warm white, and this is 6500. There are two extension boards to help me do things, and this is what I made or I DIY added in my roots because this side because this side area is just facing towards sun, so it becomes too hot whole day. So we need something like an exhaust fan, so I added this as a DIY. And tomorrow is Monday and I've completed my assignments. You can have a look. Let's have a look on my assignments. My assignment is in my book. This is assignment for HIV. So here I need to add some timelines, discoveries, and is there any vaccination available for HIV, and symptoms, disease associated with it, diagnosis and treatment for HIV. So this one assignment is completed. So we'll see some others. And so we need to find out um, phylogeny of amber. So you can see that we completed this one. Horizontal gene transfer and draw phylogenetic trees for this. I guess it's visible for now. Let me have something. So this is and last assignment is um, 10 molecules in um, glycolysis to TCA cycle, which is used as precursor for other molecules like fatty acids, nucleic acids, and other biogen. So this is also completed. So how do I try to get these all things done? So it's kind of need to search for different papers and got everything combined. So this is what done for all my assignments, and I need to complete my bio handout as well. So it is pending currently. Will be done. I guess you find this. What are things I have? This is my favorite phone. It works. Graphics tablet, charger, CVS ID card,
power bank, cycle light, lots of things I have. Google Home Mini. Some books. Lots of stuff. My Almira has got more grocery related things currently. Someday I'll make just popcorns are also there with me. Lots of things. Let's go out and see something. So humidity and temperature is at high. So hope you find this video helpful. I hope you will be there in CBS next year as a Quanta 20 batch. So bye. Let's see some stuffs of CBS which have been provided. These are two washing machines which are not working, but hopefully we have got two more new washing machines and they works pretty well. This water cooler is not working, this filter is not working. The problems currently are drinking water is not very good right now. It's like BMC direct water, so it will be fixed within few weeks. I don't know how much time would it take. Let's go to first floors, see whatever things are here. So this is common refrigerator for the Takshila building. You can have lots of things here. Usually nobody takes your things, but still cautions taken. This water cooler is working, but this tap is not working. Only chilled water is coming and the speed is, you can see. And these are two more washing machines for first floor. These are not working. This is the place like in common area. So this is first floor area. The things are like here. So today is Sunday, that is why too much stuffs, too much garbage out of this, because mess is closed on Sunday. Dinner is not present on Sunday. So most of us order from online or go to some restaurant. I think I'm right. That's simple. I think I've already made the video for the second floor, so you don't need to. Let's see if somebody else agree to get recorded. We'll do it. So bro, today's Sunday dinner. Hello bro.
खाओगे सत्तू भाई?
सही से
सत्तू भाई खाओगे?
हाँ अभी भूख लगी है हमें।
हाँ?
Genius person. What do you think about CBS? अभी तो जूते धो रहा है. Any advice for juniors? How do you like CBS? Do you think it's worth it to get CBS and ISERS or anything IITs? Why do you want to join CBS? Why you want to go into science integrated MSc? Rather you can have IIT as well because you got a good rank. As I
नॉट गुड रैंक मैंने क्वालिफाई किया था 20,000 के आसपास रैंक आई थी भाई.
अरे but you can get still NIT.
एनआईटी की बात आईआईटी भी मिल रही थी, ऐसे नहीं मिल रही, उतने भी गंदी नहीं.
हाँ देखा.
क्वालिफाई किया था, आखिरी रैंक नहीं था उसका.
So why you join CBS and what do you think?
I didn't even know about the CBS. I was sent there. My parents sent me here.
Or the,
I even didn't know about NEST or anything. It was like 6th or 7th examination that they filled the form for me. They only asked for my signature and my whatever Aadhaar card. I just sent them there. They all had my the certificates and they simply filled my form. I didn't even know that I had to give IIT or NEST. I gave all of them. I even gave CUE.
are you NEET aspirant?
He's also need aspirant.
Ishant, what do you think? What do you want to say to हिंदी? बताइए अपने जूनियर्स की कोई एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे क्या CBS में आना वर्थ इट है या फिर क्यों?
छोड़ देना बीच में. मैं तो आते ही भगाऊंगा, सब कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
कार
अभी काउंसलिंग चली रही है, आइजर की काउंसलिंग कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है. ले लो स्कॉलरशिप के नाम पे 5 साल में बुलाओ.
शायद को किसी सीनियर ने बताया तो था कि मत आना यहाँ से, भाग जाओ यहाँ से.
मुझे किसी ने नहीं बोला.
मुझे तो नहीं बोला.
इनका डिनर तो मैगी है आज.
क्या करें
चलते हैं इनके रूम में. अपने जूनियर्स को कोई एडवाइस?
पढ़ो भाई, एंजॉय भी करो साथ साथ में, और तो कुछ नहीं.
आपकी रैंक बताइए जे एडवांस में एंड IACS की रैंक 148. जूनियर्स को जानना है. हाँ सुरेश बताइए.
जी एडवांस रैंक 7,000. लेट्स गो.
नेक्स्ट
नेक्स्ट की रैंक छोड़ो, बताएं लाइक
148 किस में
the
थी?
chemistry was fucked up.
IT.
148 was in ISM.
ओ ब्रो.
Yeah. Let's go.
विवेक कहाँ है?
रूममेट गायब है.
ठीक है, उसको ढूंढ नहीं सकते हैं. आज इनका डिनर तो मैगी है. वी आर ऑन रूम नंबर 219. आदित्य चौधरी एंड एनोनिमस सिंचन. बुरी बुरी जाए.
एक सेकंड रुक कृष्णा, वो ब्लॉग कुछ पूछने आया क्या?
एनी एडवाइस फॉर जूनियर्स? चप्पल उतारना पड़ेगा पहले.
अबे यही एडवाइस है. ऐसा कुछ एडवाइस नहीं है, मैं खुद फर्स्ट ईयर में क्या एडवाइस दूंगा, पर अच्छा कॉलेज है भाई, ना मतलब ठीक है, डिसेंट है.
प्रोस कॉन्स CBS आने
यही है कि देख, मैथ में तो मैथ मेजर हूँ, तो मैथ के बेस्ट टीचर्स लाइक रघुनाथन सर ये सब पढ़ाते हैं, तो वो एकदम अच्छे से मुझे जानते हैं. कॉन्स में बोलूँगा कि पहली बात तो कोई परमानेंट फैकल्टी कम ही है, विजिटिंग ज़्यादा है, पर कोई दिक्कत तो है ही, लोग कम है तो थोड़ा एक्टिविटीज़ थोड़ी कम होती है. बाकी ओवरऑल मुझे तो कॉलेज पॉजिटिव लगता है, क्योंकि यहाँ के लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं. कम है तो अच्छे लोग. क्या क्वेश्चन?
दैट्स गुड.
तू क्या मेरा रूम टूर दिखा रहा है?
यस ब्रो. इज दैट समथिंग? डोंट यू थिंक द रूम इज स्मॉल?
यार देख, मेरे तो कपड़े नीचे पड़े रहते, मैं तो ऐसे ही रह लेता हूँ मेस में, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. पर CH के रूम तो बड़े, ये वाली साइड, इस साइड के रूम छोटे, पर उस साइड के जो शुरुआत वाले वो तो बड़े रूम है, इससे काफी.
Bye bye, topper.
Thank you, man.